Good morning, dear children. Today we will start with lesson 2, exponents and powers. Exponents and powers you have studied in class 7th also. That is why you all know what is exponents and powers. We will have a quick review on what is exponents and powers. So, starting with what is exponents? Exponents, what you can say, the exponent of a number says how many times to use that number in a multiplication. Exponent, what you can say, it denotes that how many times a number will be multiplied. So what we can say, it is written as a small number to the right and above the base number, and it is written on the right hand side of the base number. So from one example, 8 to the power 2, here what you can say, 8 is the base here 8 is the base and 2 is the exponent. 2 is the exponent. So 8 is the base and 2 is the exponent. It means that 8 is multiplied 2 times. That will give the answer 8 into 8, that is 64. That is why it is said the exponent 2 says to use the 8 2 times in a multiplication. Now what we can say, exponent is also known as powers or indices. Okay. Now next, so what we can say, base. So three things we have come to know, that what is base, what is exponent or index, and what is the value of value or exponential form. What is base? Base is a number which is to be multiplied by itself according to the exponent. According to the exponent or according to the power. Exponent or index. Exponent is a number which represents the number of times a base is to be multiplied by itself. Okay. Exponent, index, power, all are same. It denotes that how many times a base will be multiplied by itself. Value or exponential form, the product of base with itself according to the exponent is the value of exponential form. The value what you will get by solving means 8 to the power 2 means 8 into 8. It will give out 64. This is the value of 8 to the power 2. So 64 is the value. So the product of a base with itself according to the exponent is the value of exponential form. So by the example, what you can say here, 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4. Here what you can say, 3 is the base, 4 is the power or exponent or index, and 81 is the value. So it is clear, 3 is the base, 4 is the exponent, power or index, and 81 is the value. Next example also, here 5 to the power 3, 5 is the base, 3 is the exponent, and this denotes that 5 to the power 3. Now next we will study some laws of exponent. There are some laws of exponent, and the first law says that if there are two numbers and when they are multiplied and their base is same, here what you can say, base is same, base here a is there and here also a is there, but the power is different. When the base is same, multiplying powers with same base, when we multiply with same base, then the powers are added. When we are multiplying powers with same base, then the powers are added. For a number also, or if it is a fraction also, then also the same rule will be applied. Same base, a upon b, so powers will be added. So what we can say, if the base is same, the powers will be added. By the example we can see here, we can see 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 6. Here both the side base is same. So what we will do? Simply what we can do 5 to the power 3 plus 6. We can add the powers. So answer will be 5 to the power 9. Next law says that if the base is same and it is divided, when two numbers having same base and it is divided, then the powers will be subtracted. Here also you can see here base is same, a is the base both the side. So what you can say, then the powers will be subtracted. Then the powers will be, so what we can say, dividing powers with same base means powers will be subtracted. So example, 7 to the power 10 divided by 7 to the power 8. Here you can see base is same. So what we will do, we will simply subtract the power and the answer will come 7 to the power 2. Because base was same and it was divided, so simply what we will do, we will subtract the powers. Now next law of exponent says that any number to the power whole to the power another number, the powers will be multiplied. Any number to the power any number whole to the power other number, then the powers will be multiplied. A to the power m whole to the power n gives out a to the power m into n. A to the power m into n. Same will be applied if any fraction is there or rational number is also there. Okay. So what we will do, same rule we will apply there. Now next, by the example, 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. What we will, by applying a to the power m whole to the power n gives out a to the power m into n. The answer will be what? 2 to the power 6. Here different rule has been applied. First it is written 2 to the power 3 and 2 into 2 to the power 3. Okay, it means 2 to the power, it is written 2 times. 2 to the power, it is written 2 times. So we can say that same base and powers can be added. But by direct rule we can apply power of a power. This rule direct we can apply. This rule direct we can apply and we can use here. And we will get the answer. A to the power m whole to the power n. We will get the same answer. Now next law says that if two numbers having different base, the base is different. Here a is the base and here b is the base, but the power is same. Then the power is same and the base is different, then the base will be multiplied. The base will be multiplied and we will write as whole to the power. Same power will be written. Means a into b whole to the power m. If base is different and power is same, base will be multiplied and whole to the same power. Here you can see a into a to the power 3 into b to the power 3. A to the power 3, b to the power 3. It means what it will give out? A to the power a into b whole to the power 3. Now negative exponent, laws of negative exponent. If any number is having a negative power, any number which is having a negative power, so how we can change into positive one? We will just do the reciprocal of that given number. If a to the power minus m and we have to change into positive one, what we will do? We will just do the reciprocal 1 upon a to the power m. The power will change into positive. P upon q to the power minus m. So we will do the reciprocal. It will bring out q upon p to the power m. So whenever we have to find out the power as positive one, just we have to reciprocal the negative one. Same way, if 10 to the power minus 3, we can write as 1 upon 10 to the power 3. So 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 means 1 upon 1000. Now next is any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Whatever bigger number is there, if its power is 0, it means that its value will be 1. One example is there, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 means 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5, base is same, means it will be, the powers will be subtracted. When the powers will be subtracted, how much it will come? It will come 2 to the power 0, and any number to the power 0, it will give out 1. The answer will be 1. These were the laws of exponent. Applying these laws, we will solve the given exercise. This all was for today. Now next we will do the exercise of exponent and powers.